This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by provisioning the minimal identities and secrets you need. Create a service principal in Azure AD, record the app ID, tenant ID, and client secret, then grant it storage blob data contributor on the target container. Once done, switch to Databricks and create a secret scope. Store the SB secret there. This avoids embedding credentials in notebooks. Make sure your Databricks workspace and the storage account are in the same region to reduce latency and simplify network rules. Next, configure Databricks to use the stored secret so Spark can authenticate. Populate Spark configs with the client ID and tenant ID and reference the secret for client secret using dbutils. Secrets. Get. Then run dbutils. fs. Mount with an app//container at storage account. DFS, core, Windows, net URI and the OAuth configs to create a mount point. Once mounted, list the mount with dbutils. FS, ls to confirm access. If your cluster reuses init scripts, persist the Spark configs at cluster level to maintain mounts across restart. Finish by validating that you can read and write to the mounted path. Open a small Parquet or CSV and write a tiny test file. Once verified, tighten security. Give only storage blob data contributor, rotate the client secret regularly, and consider using a managed identity for long-term production. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting trick is to check role assignment and the secret scope first. Most failures are due to missing RBAC, expired secret, or storage firewall blocking Databricks outbound IPs. Unmount with dbutils. FS. Unmount when done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.